Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. Today I'll be providing you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of February, with a main focus on what's happening right here in Guelph. But first, let's take a look at some of the key metrics in all of our local markets relative to February of last year. In Guelph, the median sale price was $695,000, which is down by 10.7%. The total number of listings was 253, down by 4.9%. The total number of sales was 105, down by 11%. In the Tri-Cities, for Kitchener, the median sale price was $662,000, which is down by 8%. In Waterloo, it was $830,000, up by 14%. And in Cambridge, the median sale price was $650,000, down by 4.4%. I do think it's important to note that the average sale prices in Waterloo region actually came down year over year. So the increase in median sale price is a reflection of the different mix of higher value homes that sold last month. The Guelph housing market in February reflected a continuation of the slower, more deliberate pace that began earlier this year. The median sale price came down from February of last year with homes taking longer to sell. Sales activity also softened slightly year over year with fewer homes sold, while the number of new listings entering the market dipped by just under 5%. Taken together, these numbers point to a market that is still active, but operating with a more balanced and caution approach. Buyers are taking additional time to evaluate their options and negotiate, which is contributing to longer selling times and some downward pressure on prices compared to the same time period last year. At the same time, the relatively small change in listing inventory suggests that sellers are being selective about entering the market, helping to prevent an oversupply of homes. Looking ahead to March and the early spring market, activity will likely build as more buyers return to the market after the winter slowdown. If interest rates remain stable and inventory levels stay relatively contained, we could see sale prices begin to stabilize and the sales volumes gradually improve as the spring market unfolds. For both buyers and sellers, preparation, realistic pricing, and adapting to an ever-changing market will continue to play a key role in achieving successful outcomes in the months ahead. If you're thinking about making a move, I can certainly help you out. Feel free to reach out to me to discuss your plans, and we could create a great strategy that works well for you. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.